the whole industry is on this journey. Originally everyone kind of thought of e-commerce as a channel, but it's really been the evolution of commerce.
So Pacvue Commerce is a fully integrated omni-channel retail solution for Amazon and Target to enable sales team, supply chain team, marketing team, category management team, and also finance team to really centralize and operate under one roof.
It's clear what the value is for ad tech in this space, but what is the value for brands and agencies to have something like commerce linked into the ecosystem?
Traditionally, because those two teams have been, siloed, visibility in the media performance, whether it's click, ad spend, and other media performance, having the ability to see this holistically along with the rest of the traditional sales performance, because all of that media is driven at the product level. So being able to see that performance, not only in totality, but be able to see, hey, what store sales were attributed based on that media campaign.
It may sound simple, but being able to see, what are my sales velocities? What is my digital shelf performance? What is my in-stocks, my inventory, coupled with my advertising may sound like a very simple thing, but it's really game changing in the market for you to be able to go and make a decision. So that's number one. Number two is advanced reporting and insights. As close as we can possibly get to the easy button, I think is got to be the goal for the organization and for brands and agencies at large. Commerce rules, which Pacvue is kind of the industry leader in that space today. Why is that important? Because not only just send an email and say, hey, I've got a problem with this product, or there's something going on with my competition, I can digitally send that over to my advertisers. And that is working 24/7 for you and making the best decision for your business. And then I think the final thing is, it's not just data and insights, it's how am I doing from a promotional perspective? What is my profitability? How does my full digital shelf look like? What are my consumers saying, revenues and rate reviews on site? What does my content look like? How should I think about going to plan against my negotiations with said retailer? All of these things are part of the full scope that any sales manager or supply chain manager is responsible for, and being able to have that under one roof allows you to run your business.
As part of Commerce for Target specifically, we are bringing to light not only the traditional, search advertising that everyone is doing at Target, but we're also bringing visibility into the roundel media campaigns that are being run by Target on behalf of the brand. So those include all the social media campaigns that are driving to the brand. So here, this is part of the holistic visibility that we provide. It's all the media investment that are being done to drive business at Target.
There's quite a developed market today that is scraping data and it's pulling in insights from these retailer sites. But some of the most fundamental things are blinded by that type of technology: sales and inventory, and being able to connect that all the way back to your advertising. Those three linkages are really ultimately what we're trying to solve. And if you're able to connect those three dots, you're putting yourself in a really good position. You're truly building an end-to-end operating system.
Like the largest retailers globally are launching their own retail media networks. So the need is going to be there to be able to fully integrate not only the media component, which we do globally across 90 plus retail media network, but also to that retail execution across, like Walmart, Target, Kroger, Carrefour, the Coupang, the Rakutens of the world.
Worldwide, right? There's kind of a wide range of e-commerce penetration. But I think that what's interesting is Pacvue is not only North America or European. How important is it to be on the frontier in places like Asia or Latin America as those continue to develop?
They are growing faster than North America because they are so new. The beauty of it is all those big global brands, they usually test and learn in one market and start scaling across globally. And that's what Pacvue as an organization, we have the ability to do that instantly.